$10,000 ticket. I swear to God.
Oh my God!
It's a $10,000 ticket. I can't believe it.
Let me see.
It is. Where is it?
And they said I won't break on it.
Guys, can I tell you something?
Match 3.
What is Becky?
Match 3 alike. 10,000. There's three $10,000 on there. Can you freaking believe it?
Can I tell you something, Dave?
Who gave you that?
This is our poll for the camp. We're gonna call it Janita. No, you can't have it back.
Can I just tell you guys something?
Dad.
Yeah, it's a phone. Look at David.
You know, I wanted to say something about that.
What am I
It's a poetry card, you son of a bitch.
1, 2, 4, 8.
I won't forget. I will not forgive you for that.
It says send it to your mama's house or the North Pole. Did you see David's face?
Son of a bitch.
I kind of feel bad now.
That's funny. Well, that's a payback, 'cause I did that to you one time. Remember I said we won $1 million and I was scratching you? You were running up and down.